Hello guys, this is Emmanuel Onyewuchi from GuitarTopNotch.com. Welcome to today's video. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you top 10 winning industries in post-COVID-19 world. Before we get to the top winning industry, let's first of all, there are a lot of things that are changing. That is just fact. This pandemic is changing a lot of things. Let's first of all understand some of the things that are changing around us. First is people are beginning to become more health consciousness. Now this is what you should know. The idea about staying safe, lockdown and everything, ways to prevent the virus and all that. So this is making people to be a lot of health consciousness. Now you should know that this also is going to also affect people in many ways. And that thing again is expensive is dropping. Okay, when you look at how people spend, nobody is talking about expensive lifestyle, buying gadget and all that. People are now being preserved, like how they spend their money. Now the internet usage is soaring. There is a lot of time, a lot of people are working from home and all that, so the internet is actually soaring in terms of usage. And that thing also is the education. Education is changing. People are starting to use the internet and online platform, online education to gain more education. Like people are now relying on more online education based on the fact that schools activities on the real world are no more functioning. So educational system is changing, like the way people learn are actually changing as a result of this pandemic. Now work style, just like what I said earlier, work style is also changing. People are beginning to work from home, from the comfort of their bedroom. Okay, this thing these actually ways people's lifestyle are changing as a result of this pandemic. And that thing is business model. Now there are a lot of people who are being too adamant to take their business online. Now you don't have options, you just have to, unless you face the risk of going out of business. And that thing again is social interaction. We don't really know when this is going to be all over, but the fact remains that how people interact socially is going to be affected, at least for a certain amount of time. Going by the fact that everybody is still scared, the idea about how the virus can be transmitted is still not very clear. All putting all this social distancing and all that, just to for preventive measure. Nobody really knows exactly how the virus is spread. So social interaction is going to soar. You will get more about people chatting online, messaging and online more often. So these are ways like this pandemic is affecting our social life. There are many other ways actually, but these are few that we can hold on to. Now, with all these changes that is happening out there, that is certain that many industries was going to be affected. That is for sure. Industries are going to be affected. So let's quickly look at some of the major industries that are going to be affected by this pandemic. One of them is tech and gadgets. Okay, now this market is going to actually be, this industry is going to be actually affected in heavy way, because as it is now, people are beginning to scale their preferences. Okay, there are things that are more important than gadgets. And if you have a phone, a working phone or a working laptop or a TV set and all that, I don't think now is the right time to start thinking of upgrading to the latest version and all that. When you are not sure about your hospital bills, or even your business is not doing well and all that, it's just certain that tech and gadget is going to be affected by this pandemic. Okay, travel industry, now this is certain. Now all this one doesn't even need any explanation for anybody to understand. Many countries are on lockdown. Okay, even if the lockdown is relaxed in many countries are still going to be restrictive in terms of allowing other country come until probably there is a vaccine for this. Okay, so this also travel industry is heavily affected. Now tourism also the same. People don't move to another country, so the chances of experiencing locations and all that is also restricted. Hospitality All this goes in hand with travel, tourism, and hospitality. They just go in hand to hand. They have to do with experience, someone experiencing other location or other countries and all that. So hotel are really going to be affected in this period. Automotive also, the car industry, they are also going to be affected. Okay, the likes of Ferrari, Bugatti, and all those fancy cars and all that. These are things people will look less this time around. Okay, nobody is going to be thinking about buying all those stuffs. Nobody is going to be thinking about spending a lot of money in all those luxurious products also. Okay, these are all some of the things that are going to also be affected. Real estate, okay, real estate is also going to be affected. Landlords are going to be affected. Buying of properties, all these things is going to be this. Like right now, that what we have like a scale of preference. There is something that is more important to people than this. If you already have a place you can lay your head and all that, okay, you think less about buying a fancy, expensive land, or what is it called, or estate or whatever. So you just want to be comfortable with what you already have. Now restaurants, sure, people are very scared. People are also conscious about their health, like in terms of exposure, in terms of hanging out, sitting in public and all that. This has a lot to I mean, this has a lot of influence on business like restaurant, fintech, financial tech. Like nobody's going to be thinking about loans and all that. Okay, it's going to be very difficult to pay loans, so most people won't even go into this direction. For example, okay, a lot of activities that goes into fintech is going to be affected because people are going to be preservative, they are going to be conscious, and they are going to be careful of how they get themselves involved when it comes to money and all that. The film industry, okay, this has to do with traveling. This has to do with you know, communication and like dealing with people in groups and all that. So based on the social distancing and the restrictions in travels and all that, industries like the film industry is going to be affected. Global logistics, this has to do with movement of goods and services. Okay, this also is going to be affected based on the lockdown and restrictions of travels. Jobs for sure. Now the lockdown of a thing and also the restriction, and so everything is going to be affected. First of all is that now businesses are also careful about cost, because first of all they are not making money, and they're also going to try to restrict or retrench like their workforce, like cut down costs to minimize expenses, like to be on the profit. This is not even about profit now, it's about surviving. Okay, to be on the surviving side, to be able to scale through. And also during this lockdown, some businesses or companies are beginning to find opportunities on how to work. Like they are beginning to work from home. They are beginning to see how it's possible not to spend money in hiring some set of workforce to do some things. They are beginning to see how they can hire other people to do some certain tasks for them with little cost, flexible and all that. So this is going to result to a lot of people losing their job. This is just fact. This is not just all about, it's not theory, it's not conspiracy. This is just what is sure. Okay, a lot of people are going to lose their job as a result of new options and new experience, and also as a result of business trying to save their business, to keep their business functioning till whenever probably things get normal. So jobs are going to be lost. Now these are a few of many industries that are going to be affected as a result of this COVID-19 pandemic. With that, let's look at winning industries. Now there are a lot of industries that is going to win as a result of this COVID-19 pandemic. Even new industry is going to come up, okay, but among all of them, I have top 10 in my list here. Let's look at top 10 winning industries in post-COVID-19 world. One of them is e-commerce. Now e-commerce is already doing well before now. Okay, but this COVID-19 also is going to give it more boost, like to scale more. Now, the thing here is that as a result of the lockdown and the social distancing and all that, I know these are just probably temporary within just to contain the virus and all that. But the truth is that people are already getting the idea that they can get what they want online and they can buy stuff and get it delivered to them. So this industry is going to boom. That is just fact. Okay, it's going to boom because people are already understanding how possible, what is possible when it comes to buying and doing business online. So for you, or if you have a product, or if you have a business that runs on a brick and mortar store just there, I think this is the right time to start optimizing online. Okay, if you sell physical product, this is the right time to start creating an e-commerce platform to sell what you sell also on the. There is no barrier here. You can also do what you do on the real world and also do your sell your product also on the online world. Okay, but the truth is that you're going, if you depend only on the physical world, you're going to be limited because movement, people are going to be restricted. Even after this COVID-19 world, people are still going to be conscious. People will not go out unnecessary. People want to restrict their movement and all that. Okay, and only go out when necessary. So e-commerce is one of the next big thing out there. And that thing again is online education. Within this lockdown, people have get the opportunity to take courses, learn a lot of things. Most of the things they probably spent years learning in college or in higher institution. Okay, so people are beginning to get idea of a way of learning. Even our traditional school system, most of them are even right now getting the full idea of adopting to online education. Okay, so online education is a big day now because people know that they can pay little amount of money and learn in their comfort zone. Okay, learn in their comfort zone. You don't have to travel to a specific location, lodge in a hotel or lodge, get I mean rent an apartment, take care of your feeding, all those stuff because you want to get education. No, now you can do it from the comfort of your bedroom. Okay, this is the idea that people are beginning to understand as a result of this lockdown. Okay, with this lockdown, people are beginning to see how they can get education, get skills online, and this is going to continue. Actually, before now, this industry also is doing well, but this pandemic is also going to give it much of a boost. The gig economy, these are like people that work based on payment per tax. Okay, this is where freelancers fall into. Now this industry is winning. It has been winning before. Now it's also going to continue winning after the COVID-19 pandemic. One of the things that is going to also make it like to get the idea why I mean is going to continue winning is the fact that during this lockdown, a lot of business have been forced to work from home. Okay, most of them have started testing like the gig economy, like working with freelancers. They have started to see like how effective it is, how cost effective it is. Okay, now you don't need to maintain someone monthly salary and also all the workers benefits that comes with salary. Okay, you can just give someone a task, the person does the task, you pay him. Now whenever you need the person again, whenever you have a task, you give the person. Not like, okay, you have to maintain a salary even when the person don't have serious tasks to do, you still pay him. So the gig economy is making like it's going to keep winning. It's opportunity for everyone. It's opportunity for even someone who has job who is also going to lose his job. Okay, if you go out there, find out the skills businesses want, find out the industry that is making wave, learn the skills, use available tools and learn the skills, and also be part of these freelancers that provide these services. It's also a win for you. But the fact remains that the gig economy is going to win. It's going to keep winning even after COVID-19 pandemic. Another industry that is going to keep winning is foodstuffs and grocery. Of course, whatever happens, even the world is cool. As far as we still have life waiting, people want to eat food. We are going to eat food, and we really don't have excuse about that. If not, That is like this what's called this human needs. Food is not want, is need. So it's mandatory that this industry is still going to keep selling. Okay, the 7 point over 7 billion people that live on earth will always eat food on regular basis, unless those fasting. Okay, even fasting also are also going to eat at a time interval. Healthcare also is the same thing now. Everybody is now what would I call it, a semi doctor to themselves. People taking care of themselves, whatever it takes to take care. People want to hear now. Whatever it takes to be healthy, to boost immune system. People want to hear that. And like that is like people want to give attention to that because the COVID-19 pandemic have actually directed or changed people's perspective about health to an extent. So healthcare as it is as a whole is going to keep winning. That is just for sure. Affiliate marketing. Now this is another big industry that is going to win. Okay, it's all about if you figure out a product that is fine, you know people want it. There are people out there they don't know something exists. Okay, if you can go online and figure out kind of product that people want at a good deal and present it to people, people will want to buy. And that is where these are industries that have been there but probably not aware, like not people don't know much about it, but this COVID-19 pandemic is going to give them more attentions and more scalability based on the changes in human behavior as a result of the pandemic. Another industry that is going to win is networking marketing. Now, this is not based on this is not MMM style or whatever. This has to do with viable and with viable product or services. If any networking marketing program that has a viable product that is valuable and is viable is going to keep winning because people want to engage in something. Like for example now, if you have a product on beauty or on health, okay, people want to engage in it. Not only that they will have the opportunity to buy the product, they know also that they are also buying benefit. They are going to get from it on a long run. So networking is also is also one of the best or one of the industries that is going to win after this COVID-19 pandemic. Beauty and care. So whatever it takes, whatever is going on in the world, people still want to look their best. Okay, people want to still look their best, and this is where beauty and care comes in. If you are into anything that has to do with taking care of physical being, especially for women, they can't just do without this. So beauty and care is also one industry that is going to win when it has to do with whatever way. Okay, skin, look, fashion, whatever, it's still going to win. People will also always want to look their care. Agriculture is also going to continue being one of the winning industry out there. Okay, there are over 7 billion people in the world, so these people are going to eat food. So a system that produces what the whole world eats, I don't think is always or any ever going to go out of business. Okay, whatever happens, people are going to eat. But one thing that can happen after the COVID-19 pandemic is agriculture, like the way it's being done. You will find more about home garden. People will want to be engaging in home garden. So anything that has to do with helping people with home garden is also a big day. Okay, it's also something that can sell out. Okay, when after the COVID-19 pandemic, because the lockdown has forced people to rethink things. Like you see some people wanting to cultivate the food they eat by themselves. You know, they want to get engaged. You see some people creating some garden within their home, or even going back to the farm on their free days, on their free time, to cultivate food, even for mass production. So agriculture is always going to win after the COVID-19 pandemic. Now, another thing again that is going to win is personal development. That is the top 10 on my list. The personal development is going to win. People will always want to be their best. People will want to be more effective. They want to manage their time very well. People want to manage their mental health. People want to manage their resources. People want to be on their peak performance, doing better in whatever they are doing, especially during this critical moment or critical time. So personal development is one industry that is also going to do well. In fact, we need it. Just need the personal. We need people to still manifest their best self, because that is actually how the whole we all can skate through this thing and also come out insane, like being on our mind, like still hopeful of a better future or of a better world. So personal development is still gonna say that is just fact, that is just it. Okay, so this is it. This is my top 10 list. Now this doesn't mean that this is all the winning industry out there. There are a lot of industry. If you can just if you align what is happening with human behavior, how human is going to react to a lot of things around them, you can actually get some other ideas about industries that might likely win as a result of this COVID-19 pandemic. Okay, but now that is it for me. I hope this video is insightful. I hope you get one or two things here to make decision as someone on a career path, or as a business, or as an entrepreneur. Okay, now if you are watching this video on Facebook, all I want to do is just like my page. I share more about more of these videos, type of video. If you're also watching on YouTube, subscribe, turn up the notification button, so that whenever I share a video like this, you don't miss out. Okay, let's get connected. Let me know what you think. Comment, share your thoughts, ideas, or if you also have ideas about industries you think that can win after the COVID-19 pandemic, let's share it with us. Let's learn. We can actually get one or two ideas from each other to make better decisions during this critical time in our world. Okay, thank you, and see you in the next video.